DJI Mavic Pro Drone Quadcopter Flymore Combo with 3 batteries, 4K professional camera gimbal bundle kit with DJI bag, 64GB SD card, range extender, landing pad, must-have accessories size, Mavic Pro, color, 3 Battery Flymore Combo. What's in the box? 1 MAVIC PRO1 Compact Controller, 3 total DJI batteries, 2 extra propellers, 1 charging hub, 1 card charger, 1 battery to power bank adapter, 1 shoulder bag, 1 to 64GB micro SD card, 1 to 3.0 CARD READER1, 1 KOOZAM landing pad, 1 KOOZAM travel case for Mavic and CONTROLLER, 1 KOOZAM cleaning cloth, 1 landing gear, 1 set propeller guards, 1 controller stick protector, 1 range extender, 1 lens hood. The DJI Mavic Pro is a small yet powerful drone that turns the sky into your creative canvas easily and without worry, helping you make every moment an aerial moment. Its compact size hides a high degree of complexity that makes it one of DJI's most sophisticated flying cameras ever. 24 high-performance computing cores, an all-new transmission system with a 4.3 miles, 7 kilometers range, 4 vision sensors, and a 4K camera stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal are at your command with just a push of your thumb or a tap of your finger. Powerful fly for miles. From your pocket. Inside the Mavic's pocket-sized remote controller is DJI's brand new OcuSync transmission technology, with a range of 4.3 miles, 7 kilometers, and full HD 1080p video streaming. No bumps and scrapes when you know what's in front of you, you won't bump into it. The same is true of the Mavic. Using flight autonomy, it can see obstacles as far away as 49 feet, 15 meters, in front, so that it can fly at up to 22 miles per hour, 36 kilometers per hour, while avoiding the things it sees. Absolute precision flight autonomy technology means the Mavic can hover precisely in more environments, and automatically land almost exactly where you took off. Stay flying longer. Why fly for 10 or 15 minutes when you can fly for up to 27? With the Mavic you can use every single pixel. The Mavic is the only drone of its size to carry an integrated high-precision 3-axis mechanical camera stabilization system, giving you crystal clear photos and smooth videos. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.